Hi, my name is Carlos with Comfort Star Tech Support, and today we're going to be going over the Wi-Fi module installation on the Echo Series CC32 and CH32 units that have the service code or the serial number begins with 21. If your service code or your serial number begins with the numbers 28, you do not have to follow these procedures. Your unit already comes Wi-Fi ready from the box. So again, this is only for service code 21 or serial numbers that begin with the number 21. To install your Wi-Fi module on your Echo Series, the first thing we're going to do is pull the disconnect and make sure we have no power at the unit. Then you're going to come into your high wall head. You're going to open the cover, push your tabs to the outside, and we're going to put the cover on the top of the unit. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver to take off the electrical cover. And since the power is off, we are going to pull the circuit board out as much as possible. Okay? To pull the circuit board out, we're going to remove the ground wire and our brown wire, which is our communicating cable. Now we're going to gently pull the board out, and it just needs to come out just a little bit so we can access this port right here. As you can tell, the board doesn't need to come out all the way. All you need access is to right here, CN16, and your 4 little plugs. We're going to go ahead and connect the adapter that comes with it attached to the module, and we're going to just clip it in to CN16. You want to be careful not to bend the probes, okay? So now, as you can see, the module is already connected to CN16. We're going to gently just push back the board into place, and we're going to reconnect our communication cable. And we're going to reconnect our ground wire. You're going to take the fitting screw, set your little hook inside the notch, and put in your screw. Once your screw is in place, then we're just going to push these cables back inside so we can close the cover. We're going to run our cable in through the little slot and just place it inside so that it's out of the way. Next step, we're going to put our electric cover back on. And screw it in. Now it's in place. Tidy up all your cables. You're going to bring your cover, put it in, hold to the outside, push it to the back, and snap it in place. Thank you for watching this video on the installation of the Wi-Fi module on the Echo Series. If you need any further assistance, please feel free to call us at Comfort Star Tech Support 1-866-524-9898. Thank you. For instructions on how to connect your Wi-Fi module to your mobile device, please watch part 2 of this video, which will be linked in the description.